Okay, just got a Tesla charger. We found it on Facebook for $350. Now we're gonna install it over here. Run the wire through that down there, through this electrical panel. So this is 200 amp. So we got some slots for the breakers, plenty of spots. So run the wire up there, go down here, plug it in. That's it. Turn on the power. Make sure we turn on the power. So we got the Thhn number 8 wire. It's $1 a foot. Got this thing. Got this angle to run it, and the conduit right there. Yeah, just like that. So these are the things that we need: the wires and the breaker. Make sure it matches your electrical panel. So I'm using 50 amps instead of the 60 because the 60 caught on fire. So this is good. Let's go to the Tesla wall charger. It's brand new. It's new, just open box. $350. Save a little money. Buying from Tesla. Yeah, so let's go here. Yep. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. So let's do it. So this is the quarter ENT insulated compression connector. So it's like that. Fit perfectly. Yep. From the top. And connect go in here. Connect this. So yeah, this is like old. It's a new panel. Old panel, I don't know. First I thought it didn't fit, but actually it fit. So connect that. So the red and black don't matter which one connected. So the ground, connect this, run it through, go all the way to the back. Oi. Okay, it's done now. So these two, it doesn't matter which one you connected. Run through the ground, go to, because it's the main panel. Neutral and ground is on the same pole. Okay. Conduit, it's done. Done. Everything's done. We need to cut off these two for the slot for the breaker. Total cost for materials like $60 or $70. $350 for, yeah, about $450 or $20. Alright, put the panel back. That's a Tesla right here. and put the screw back and turn the switch on, and let's see. Is it gonna charge? Switch on. Put the breaker. Switch it back on. Here, before you switch off the power, make sure you switch off the breaker first. The light and the green light. Okay, the installation is done. Okay, see if it's charging or not. So charging will start at 1 a.m. Start charging. Okay, 80%. 12 hours, 12 miles per hour. It's 40 amp. So you can get it to 35, 34, 35, and that's get the maximum. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Yep, that's perfect. Everything works good. Schedule works good at 1 a.m. Everything's good. Perfect. Okay. Done. Good. Now time to put the PPF on the car. So the installation is pretty easy, but only if you have the 200 amp and got space and at the main panel. Watch YouTube. That's all I know how to do it. But if you don't know what you're doing, don't do it with your own risk. Okay, this is done professionally, done by me. Actually, I watch YouTube, so I watch a lot of YouTubes. Try to figure out how to do it. Watch over and over again till I get an idea of how to do it. It's actually, once you watch a lot of tutorials, it's not that hard. It's actually pretty easy. You just need the right tools, the right equipments, and it's pretty easy to do it. So instead of installing the 60 amp breaker, I chose the 50 because it's actually, you don't need that fast charge at home. 50 is enough. And the website, it said is recommended number 6 wire, but number 8 is good enough. Number 6 is too thick. So number 6 is too thick. Yeah, just number 8. It's thinner. It's easier to work with. You just need three wires. For the wire, you can either choose 2 black color or 1 red, 1 black. It doesn't matter which one goes to which one. So the 2 hearts to go into like the heart, and the other 2 go to the breakers, and the green go to the ground, and the ground under your electrical panel. So it's not expensive at all. So the pole costs about $7. Wires, so 3 wires cost about 27, because it's $1 a foot. So 3 wires, 27. That's about $8. Plus the breakers, like $16. And you need the faceplate and that connector right there. I don't know what it's called. The L shape. Yeah, I opted with the plastic wall plate because it's easy to make a hole. The metal one, it doesn't fit, so I gotta make a custom one. Yeah, and total, let's say about $70 plus This is for 420 at Tesla, but I found it on Facebook. There's somebody selling it for 350. It's new, so this is new condition. Yep. So save money on that. So overall, it costs about 420. But PPF, the hood, the bumper, the whole car. Let's go with the hood first. Spray it, clean it, make sure there's no dirt, debris. All right, now peel it up, put it on. So the film is take it's like a little extra. This is perfect, but the bottom is like a little extra. I'll go figure out before we cut it. The hood is almost done. Yep. Already done. Just seal the corner, let it dry a little bit. Nice. Okay. I thought it was easy. It's not easy. It takes like hours just to put the bumper and the hood. The hood is all done. The hood is very easy, but the bumper is a little challenging. I'm going to put on the fender. Actually, this gray looks like black to me.